this area have heart. So use one leg here, one leg front, and then try to hit your back. See? Then use a sound as he. He is a heart sound. How's that? He. Armor is for the heart, and also this great like a major hit is also for our like a heart, and also the dampness cause our spleen function is weaker. So we need and the cool, like the unexpected, the cool for this weather will cause our heart function is weaker. So maybe some easy to cause more heart problems. So this the next one, I will especially for this one protect our heart. And do you want to try? Maybe try. I will see.
Can you do it on a wall?
You're kind of on a wall, and also maybe on this tree. Yeah, anyone maybe you can try, huh?
Yeah, the sticks.
Yeah, try on the back here.
Yeah. I gotta get my feet right. Right there.
Yeah. Quick. Good.
This is better than compressions.
Good. So now I think everyone can do maybe. Yeah, good too. Yeah.
What is the sound? Find you a
tree. Yeah. Can everyone find a tree for yourself? And then we do 3 minutes.
Is it or
Okay. We can practice this together, huh?
up or down?
You don't have to be exactly, huh? 3 minutes. Try. 每个人都录一看。3 minutes, huh? OK 哈，你跟着我，看，yeah, lower, her, okay. Oh, good. You lower this area, yeah. Good. Longer, good. Longer, good. I'm glad you come today.
Yeah, it's so good to see you.
Yeah. You come from where? How far?
Galax this time.
How was
It
1 hour?
was Elk Creek last time.
How long?
About an hour and a half.
Okay.
Yeah, it's so good to see
Yeah. I'm glad you come. Andrea. Good. Especially how important for you, huh? Because your heart. Okay. 对。你跟着我，要不要让你当示范？不用。Lower, between the shoulder blades, that's area. You kids.
And my father, if he would try.
Yeah, you
saw
try.
his hands, there might be some.
Yeah, he's the worst in the whole. Blocked the whole.
And history of heart stuff in the family, so
he really I can really see his hands don't move, almost don't move.
And my mom had 2 strokes.
Oh.
So
Yeah.
I think you saw her hands too.
Yeah. Good job. Good. Good.
Symptomum.
seconds. Good? What do you feel?
Felt good in here, nice and warm.
That's what you especially have from the blocked to this blocked, I can tell today.
For my training.
Yeah. Okay, music. Stop. Huh? 3 minutes is a long time, huh? At home, say 3 minutes.